We just received a glowing review from someone who's thrilled about our top-notch 5-star service. It makes us proud to share such great compliments with everyone now. Great experiences like this one fuel us to maintain the highest level of satisfaction possible. Making everyone happy is our strongest motivation, and we strive to make them happy each and every day. We love reading reviews like this, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use our services in the future. We love knowing the people we serve consider us the best company to do business with. We'd love for you to give us a chance to show you what we can do. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.